Rest in peace. He passed away many years ago. But for me, he was my sort of primary source of.
But by that time, were you already into music, playing?
No,
this and
I
that?
was just about starting. I was just about starting. So that thrill and that energy came from there. And then in later years, because I'm very fond of playing acoustic piano as well, and on the jazz side, musicians like Chick Corea, Bobby Hancock,
Yeah.
these are the guys who really inspired me.
What's your favorite instrument?
Acoustic piano,
Huh?
no doubt. Acoustic piano.
Still piano.
So you referred about you are referring to small towns, performing small towns. Can you just describe about the northeast of small towns?
So one of the projects that I would really like to do with Indus Creed, I would like to play the small towns of the northeast. I mean, playing in Shillong, Kohima, Imphal, that's great, love it all the time. But really, what I would like to do, I would like to go out to 4 small towns in Meghalaya, 4 small towns in Nagaland, 4 small towns in Mizoram, and play there for the guys who cannot make it to Shillong, for the musicians there who are growing up watching us play, watching people play, and for all the audiences that just love great rock music.
Tell us about the Mokachuk experience.
So way back in the 90s, we started a fan club, and we used to get mail from all over India. The maximum mail used to come from a town called Mokachuk, which we've never been to. And I feel if we go there someday and perform, it would be wonderful, because I'm sure there are a lot of rock machine / Indus Creed fans there.
Mokokchung is a lovely place.
It is. I would love to visit.
Small
I would
town,
love to visit.
but beautiful.
Yeah. So it's on my destination map, because I'm very fond of trekking and stuff also.
You must visit Mokokchung.
So I've been to Nagaland now 7 or 8 times. I've been to Meghalaya also 7 or 8 times. But I'd like to come back and visit these places, because these smaller towns I feel are very special. Sure. I'd love to do a tour of these places.
Ultimately, smaller towns have to sometimes become big, no?
Absolutely. And they're deprived of the kind of action that Shillong or Kohima gets, right? And there's no reason for that. I mean, I'm sure there are super musicians there. I'm sure there are music loving crowds there.